Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some quotes out of here today. You either suffocate with fear or explode with passion. You are the alchemist. You decide. Freedom is feeling a sense of love and awe for life without needing anything from outside of us. Joe Dispenza. I am who I am, and that is enough. Bashar. Exhaustion is not a virtue. Naps heal. Laying in the sun heals. Doing absolutely nothing but daydreaming heals. If you weren't ready, you wouldn't have the opportunity. Grandparents, a little bit parent, a little bit teacher, a little bit best friend, and a little bit partner in crime. When I was younger, not fitting in felt like a flaw. Now it feels like freedom. All right, which cards are we going to get today? Happiness is not a pursuit. Actual facts. Studies have shown that the pursuit of happiness can actually make you less happy. Today, remind yourself that happiness is not a location you arrive at, a place to check your bags and stay indefinitely. Today, embrace happiness as a temporary state of being like any other. When you feel it today and do well, enjoy it for as long as it lasts, and wish it well until you meet it again. Who or what has made you believe that for some reason or another you don't have what it takes to follow your dream? Vibe holder, think of someone you love, something that makes you happy, or imagine your favorite place. Hold that feeling. Hold it for as long as you can. The longer you hold on to good feelings, the longer they stay. What do you think? And the last card today. "12. Manifest positive vibes. Change your negative outlook. Are your thoughts calm, anxious, or fearful? Focus on the positive in your life rather than the negative. Name 5 good things daily. Feel the happy vibes." All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.